Installing WordPress on InMotion hosting is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to get your WordPress site up and running. Log into your InMotion hosting account. Visit the InMotion hosting website and log into your account using your credentials. Access the cPanel. Once logged in, navigate to your account management panel and click on the cPanel link to access your hosting control panel. Locate the Softaculous installer. In cPanel, scroll down to the software section and find the Softaculous apps installer icon. Click on it to open the installer. Choose WordPress. In Softaculous, locate the WordPress icon. Click on it, then select Install Now to begin the installation process. Configure installation settings. Fill in the required fields such as your domain name, site name, and admin username and password. You can also choose to enable plugins or themes at this stage. Complete the installation. Click the Install button to begin the installation. Once completed, you will see a success message with your WordPress login URL. Access your WordPress dashboard. Visit yourdomain.com/wp-admin to log into your new WordPress site using the credentials you created.